According to Wikipedia, morphology in linguistics is the study of words, how they are formed, and their relationship to other words in the same language. It analyzes the structure of words and part of words, such as stems, root words, prefixes, and suffixes. According to Anderson S.R. 1992, morphology in linguistics is the study of the forms of words and the way in which words are related to other words of the same language. From online definition that in morphology we focus on how words are formed with the structure words like stems, root words, prefixes, and suffixes that include relationship between words in the same language. From expert view definition that in morphology we study the forms of words and that words are related to other words. From my understanding, morphology is the study of words are formed and how they are related to other words in the same language, like prefixes and suffixes fit together. For example, an, happy, and ness, then form it together, and happiness. Yes, I agree. Morphology is the study of words, how they are formed and structured. So before we learn or examining, we need test 3. We need to understand what a word is and how it differs from the terms lexeme and word form. Therefore, we have to know it first so that we can form complex words. I think it's not the same thing, but the three have connection, or I can say relationship. Word, the sentence, the man drives his car. The word drives is drive. This is the smallest element of language that can be uttered or written. It has its own class form that it is a verb and has meaning even if it stands alone. Lexeme is base word. For example, the word drive is the basic that has verbs. The verbs of the words such as words drove, driven, drives, and driving. These words are word form. What I know of word structure, morpheme, and affixes. Every language in the world has its own structure that can be broken down from the largest components to the smallest one. The components of the language are commonly known as syntactical rules, phoneme, and phonological rules. Morpheme is the smallest unit of word but still has meaning. There are two types of morpheme which can stand alone, that they still have specific meaning even though they are not attached to another morpheme. For examples, morphemes need, red, such as, and danger cannot stand alone, that the morphemes have no specific meaning if they stay alone, so they need to connect with other words. For examples, suffixes add, as, ion, and prefix n. Affixes is a bound morpheme that attached to a free morpheme, root, to from new word. There are three types of affixes. One, prefix is an affix that attached from the front of the word. For example, affix re attached from the front of the word right. Then it forms a new word right. 2. Suffix is an affix that attached from the end of the word to create new word. Example, an affix is attached to the end of word sing, then it forms new word singer. 3. Circumfix is a process of forming a new word by attaching a prefix and suffix at the same time. For example, the prefix am and suffix ment are attached to a word power to form a new word empowerment.